train. Even its mode control. And I'm going to show you how it's going to go through my Lego tunnel. Oops, sorry. And this is how it goes down and up. Dad, can you just do it on the other side? Papa, can you see this here? Look down. Continuation.